Okay, so here also we have to find the difference of the two sets in question number 10, difference of two sets and intersection of two sets that we have done already. And question number 11, R is a set of real numbers. R is a set of real numbers. As you know, we are denoting by R minus set of rational numbers. So it will be a set of irrational numbers. Set of irrational numbers. State whether each of the following statement is true or false. True false, just check whether it is true or false. They said it is disjoint. So, but not disjoint. Three is common there. Three is common. They are not disjoint. So it is false statement. So like this, you have to find the false statement. Second statement is also false because they have element common. Third, 2 is not there, 6 is not there, 10 is not there, 40 is not there. They are disjoint, correct. Then fourth statement is also true because they don't have any common element. Therefore, their intersection is null set. They are disjoint set. Now we have next exercise based on complement of the set. So for that, you know that we need to have universal set. Then only we can find the complement of any set. So in these type of questions, in exercise 1.5, you will find the union set also. So they will give the universal set, universal set also. So let's take question number 1. In this question, you can see that universal set is given. Here, universal set is having all the elements from universal set. Universal set is a set of elements from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. This is a universal set. Okay. Then we have set A. Elements of set A are given 1, 2, 3, 4. Set B 2, 4, 6, 8. Set C 3, 4, 5, 6. First, we have to find A complement. So A complement is the set in which all the elements of set A will be taken out from universal set. Okay, so universal set minus A. We can do like this, or we can write directly also. Just remove the elements of 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what are the left out elements? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or you can write universal set and then minus set A and then subtract. So in examination, you should do it like this properly, write each and every step. 6, 7, 8, 9 is a universal set. Then minus set A. Write set A 1, 2, 3, 4, and then subtract 1, 2, 3, 4 is subtracted. We get 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, like this you can find B dash also. Now if you have to find A union C dash, complement of, we have to find the complement of A union C dash. So first we can find A union C, or we can write directly universal set. Universal set minus A union C. Or you can find A union C separately and then subtract that element from universal set. Same thing. So universal set. First you can find A union C. Separately you can find A union C. A union C is A union C means 1 is there, then 2, then 3, then 4 is common, then 5, then 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7, 8, 9 are left. So 7, 8, 9. Like this, we can find B minus C and then its complement. Hmm? So mostly these all questions in this exercise are based on complement. A union B intersection, A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. First we will find A union B. To find A union B. A union B, you will add these 2, then 3 is there, 2 is common, 3, then 4 is also there, 5 is also there, 6 is also there, 7 is also there, and 8 is also there. So 2, 3, we have taken 2 common, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, and then 8 union. Then you have to find the complement of A union B, because we have to prove A union B complement. The left hand side is what? A union B complement. Means from universal set you will have to remove 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1 and 9 are left only. 1 and 9. Okay. This is your left hand side. Now for right hand side, this we are going to prove. We have to find first A complement. What is A complement? Except A, all the elements right from universal set. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Only leave 2, 4. 1 you will write, 2 you will not write, 3, 4 will not write, 5, then 6, leave 6 is there, then write 7, leave 8, and then 9. Okay, this is A complement. Similarly, B complement is except B. So 2, 3, 5, 7. So 1, then 2 will not write, will not be written, 3 will not be written, 4 will be written, 5 will not be written, 6 will be written, 7 will not be written, 8 and 9 will be written. Okay, then find their intersection. A complement intersection B complement means their common element. Common elements are 1 and 9. So we got equation number 2. So from first and second, we got the proof. From first and second, we get A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Similarly, you can prove this one. Okay. Now we have to draw appropriate Venn diagram. This we will do. So for Venn diagram, so I will take this question and we will draw the Venn diagram. This is question number 5. Draw appropriate Venn diagram for these given conditions. Okay. So as I told you first, you can see now. Okay. Now we have to draw the Venn diagram for first part A union B. First you will find A union B and its complement. Whenever it is not given whether A union B are not disjoint or disjoint, so we will draw always not disjoint sets, as I told you. We have to draw for two sets always until it is given disjoint, otherwise we will draw the sets so that they have common elements always. So this is our Venn diagram. This is a universal set. Now you have to draw A and B. It's based on two sets A and B only. So this is set A and this is your set B. Always draw like this. Huh? Use proper circles. This is universal set and this is set A, this is set B. So we can draw A inside. So this is set A, this is set B. But they are asking A union B. A union B is this portion, whole portion. What will be A union B? A union B will be this. Sorry. This whole portion will be A union B. Okay, this portion, and but they are asking A union B complement, means we have to shade outside portion. So sometimes shading becomes difficult, it becomes big, so we can use some pattern also to draw. Okay, so we can draw, instead of shading we can draw this type of patterns also to show that A union B will be the outside area, only the outside area of A union B. Like this we can draw the pattern. Got it? Or if you can fill with pencil or notebook, it is easy, so you can fill the outside area. Okay, got it? So this is A union B complement. And second is A complement is outside area of A, that is outside area this, outside area of this. Then A complement intersection B complement will be the same diagram. Same diagram. A complement, as we have seen in De Morgan's law also, A union B complement is equal to what? A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Therefore, this will have the same Venn diagram. Obviously, You can see A complement means this outside area of A, outside area of B. What is the common between outside area of A and B? Is this portion only. Hmm? Now third is A intersection B and their complement. First find their common portion and then outside that common portion. Hmm. Every portion outside this one means we will draw like this. Set A, set B. Okay. Now A intersection B is this portion, inside portion. So right, this is A. So you have set A, set B, and universal set. Don't forget to write this. Then A intersection B is this portion, but it is saying complement means outside this portion, means whole portion outside this should be shaded. So you can shade or you can use the shading. You can shade the outside portion except this portion. I'll try to make except this portion, all portion you have to shade every portion. This outside portion will also come here. Okay. So either you can shade or you can use the pattern. But in our textbook they use shading only. So better to use pencil to shade the outside portion. But it should be shaded properly. My shading is not that much proper. Sometimes it is coming out from the line, should not come out. Huh? And there should be no left out portion. Okay. So then the third part is fourth part is again you have A complement union B complement. That is the same as this one, as you have seen the De Morgan's law. So its Venn diagram is also this one. Okay. Then we have the last question of this exercise. Not last, last second. Sixth and seventh questions are left. They are very simple questions, 6 and 7. You can do it easily. This is question number 6. And this is question number 7. There we have to fill in the blanks to make it true. Fill in the blank. So question number 6, U be the set of all triangles. Universal set, that means universal set is the set of all triangles. All triangles means every triangle, every type of triangle is there, and A is the set of all the triangles with at least one angle different from 60 degree. If one angle is different from 60 degree, that means that is a scalene triangle. Okay. So what will be the A dash? Set of equilateral triangles in which all the three angles are 60 degree. So what is A dash? A dash will be the set of all equilateral triangles. Set of all equilateral triangles. Because in this set all triangles are there, so they will be scalene or equilateral. If you will divide broadly into two parts, the triangles, some you will find scalene and some you will find equilateral triangle. There are two types on the basis of angle. So one of the angle is different, then it is scalene. All angles are 60 degree, it is an equilateral triangle. That's why. Fill in the blanks. So A union A complement will become what? Universal set will become universal set because union of A and complement means outside area. Similarly, this complement of null set is a universal set. Okay, and when you find the universal set with the intersection of A, you will get A. Similarly, here complement of universal set is a null set, and intersection of null set and A is a null set because there is no common element between them. It is a null set. Similarly, here A intersection A is a null set. There is no common quotient. So that is the end of this exercise and this topic also.